Portainer runs as a Docker container, so you need Docker installed first. By default, Docker requires root privileges, which is inconvenient, so enable non-root users to run Docker commands without sudo. Once installed, enable Docker to start on boot and start the service. Verify the installation. Portainer requires a volume to store persistent data, such as container information and settings, so create a new Docker volume for Portainer. You can verify the created volume using this command. Now, you need to pull the latest Portainer CE Docker image and run it as a container. After running the Portainer container, open a web browser and access Portainer using your server's IP address or local host, if running locally. Your browser may show a security warning because Portainer uses a self-signed SSL certificate, so click on Advanced then proceed to Site to continue. When you open Portainer for the first time, it will prompt you to create an admin account. After setting up your admin account, you will see options to connect Portainer to an environment. Once connected, you will see the Portainer dashboard, where you can manage containers, images, networks, and volumes. To confirm that Portainer is running correctly, use the following command. On the dashboard, click on Containers from the left sidebar and click on Add Container button. Just follow me to configure the container. Once the container is deployed, it will appear in the containers list with a green running status. Once the container is running, open your web browser and visit this. You should see the gnupg default welcome page, confirming that the gnupg container is running successfully. After installation, Linux users may need to start, stop, or restart Portainer manually.